Welcome year 10 to this revision lesson on Python. This screencast is going to cover input, output, the use of variables and some revision on data types. So let's begin. I'm going to start with a new Python file. I'm going to save it. Save it somewhere in your documents. I'm going to save this with the rest of my Python scripts and I'll call it input, output. And note that I'm calling it .py as a file extension. I'm going to start just with a document comment. Version lesson of input and output. And let's begin. So if we remember the syntax from our lessons, in order to input we need to use a variable. I'm going to create a variable called temp, and this is going to be a float representing temperature. I'm going to use my input keyword, open up a string, enter your temperature please, and close my two brackets. And now my simple output, which is print. I'm going to print a string. So your temperature is, close my string, comma separate, and then my variable which was called temp. Save it, Control and S, and F5 to run the script. My temperature is 37.2. There we go. Input was achieved by using the input keyword. Because I was using a decimal, I went for a float. And to output it, it was the print statement with the string, which is text, and then my variable. And that's input output.